Welcome to the presentation of the new Metrac models H60 and H70. My name is David Baumgartner. I am Product Manager at Reform. The new compact all-rounders from Reform are the Metrac H60 and the Metrac H70. Both models have the same cabin and the same chassis, but different engines. With an empty weight from 2,000 kilograms, the new Metrac are compact, light and very maneuverable. The external dimensions are 2,000 millimeters in width and 2,060 millimeters in height. The appearance is based on the design of the successful Metrac H75. The new Metrac H60 and H70 are available with two different wheelbases. A short one with 1,950 millimeters and an oscillation of the front axle with 9 degrees, and a long version with 2,150 millimeters and an oscillation of the front axle with 15 degrees. The mechanical hydrostat drive allows a stepless adjustment of the speed. It offers 2 speed ranges and 2 mechanical terrain reductions. The speed ranges are 0 to 20 km per hour and 0 to 40 km per hour. Both models have the well-known Reform steering system with 5 steering modes: front, rear, 4-wheel, crab and offset 4-wheel steering. Also standard on both models is the proven 4-wheel drive with robust planetary final drives for a maximum of traction and protection of the soil. The new Metrac are available with 31 and 33-inch tyres. Both variants can be equipped with additional tyres. The lifting gear on the front is powerful rotary linkage with a 1,500 kilogram lifting capacity. A lateral displacement of 200 millimeters is standard. The front PowerShift PTO offers a rotation of 450 RPM. The automatic soft start ensures smooth starting of attachments. The working hydraulic system has a constant pump with a delivery rate of 29 litres per minute. To optimally adapt the vehicle to the customer's needs, different variants of the hydraulic circuits are available. The Metrac H60 and H70 provide electro-hydraulic weight compensation and hydraulic vibration damping as standard to protect the vehicle and the lifting gears. The lifting gear can also be operated from the outside. The first button raises and lowers the lifting gear. The second button operates the upper link and enables a comfortable mounting of working attachments. The newly developed air conditioning system is powerful and comfortable. Mixed air flows from the ventilation nozzles in the dashboard, achieving optimum temperature control in the cab. The wide entry area of the new driver's cabin offers a high level of comfort. The all-glass door provides optimum all-round visibility and has a noise-insulating effect thanks to its spherical curvature. The driver's cabin is equipped with tested comfort seats. Different options with air cushion and swivel functions are available. The mechanical driving lever with integrated multifunction joystick includes the following functions: activation of the front and 4-wheel steering mode, the crab steering mode, the different hydraulic circuits, and the electro-hydraulic weight compensation. Directly below, you can find the switches to lift and lower the lifting gears and to operate the upper links. For convenient operation, All other operating elements are located directly next to the joystick. Here you find 3 buttons for hydraulic functions, and directly below switches for the 4-wheel drive, as well as the front and rear differential locks. The central controller, RCOM, has several function keys that are used to set important travel and hydraulic functions. The placement directly next to the travel lever ensures comfortable operation. Directly behind the RCOM is the level 2 switch between the slow and the fast speed range. Right next to it you find the switch to activate the power shift PTO. As an option, a rear lifting gear is available for the new Metrac H60 and H70. Just like the front one, the rear lifting gear has a capacity of 1,500 kilograms and can also be operated from the outside. Here you can find the diesel filler neck and the connections for the working hydraulics. The condensation fans of the air conditioning system are in the rear area of the roof. The system features direction reversal of the fan as a standard, which makes it self-cleaning. As an option, you can equip the new Metrac with working lights and a rotating LED warning light. The overhead exhaust tailpipe ensures reduced turbulence of dust and dirt particles in daily operation. It also prevents contamination of the material to be cut. The maintenance of the new Metrac models is as simple as possible. All essential vehicle components such as the cooling system, engine, electronics and fresh air intake are quickly and easily accessible. The wide opening bonnet allows optimum access to the engine compartment. The side flap can also be removed quickly and easily. The new Metrac H60 and H70 are equipped with Perkins engines. Both engines have a displacement of 2.2 litre. The engine of the H60 has 61 HP and a torque of 220 Nm. The H70 has 75 HP with a torque of 270 Nm. Here you can see the combined water and intercooler. Here on the side of the hydraulic cooler, which offers a direction reversal of the fan as a standard, which makes it self-cleaning. As with all Reform vehicles, there are separate oil reservoirs for working hydraulics and the driving hydraulics. This prevents contamination of the hydrostatic oil balance. This was our presentation of the new compact Metrac H60 and H70. Thank you very much for your attention. We are looking forward to your visit at a Reform dealer partner on our website, reform.at.